Alrighty, hi guys, I'm Mijaelle. Welcome to my school, Musical Muse Development. I will be launching on Patreon at the beginning of June, end of May. So I will be giving away some free time to the first couple of people that sign up. For details, please check out the description below. But pre this, I am releasing some free hint and tips and free lessons, basically music lessons, and I will be launching music theory videos, arrangements of songs with tab, etc. and stuff like that for guitar, piano, and obviously singing too. So right now, let's get into singing. Alrighty, so now this next sequence of exercises I'm going to show you is perfect for regulating your breathing. You know, like even after we've woken up or after a day of sitting at a desk or whatever we've been doing, our breathing isn't as regulated or as flowing as easily as it could be for a pre-performance, basically. So I do this exercise with my students every time before we do a lesson, just so that I know that I'm giving them the best opportunity to access their power vocal, all right, and the best amount of breath that they can get through their bodies. It really chills you out, this exercise. So it's really good for increasing lung capacity just before you want to practice or rehearse or literally do performance. Okay. You're going to always be breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. And I'm going to show you the sequence really slowly, really slowly, breaking it up. And then we're going to do 6 in a row. 6 in a row is the ultimate that you should be doing pre-rehearsal, practice, or performance. Okay, so this is how it goes. Alrighty. So just stand comfortably, you know, like feet hip width apart, right? Okay. When you breathe in for the first time, you're going to lift your arms up. Breathing in through the nose, right? Now, when you're up here, you've already breathed in pretty much as you can. But I want you to suck in, gasp, and get in as much air as you can. So do a gasp, and you should hear yourself. Okay, I'm just letting it go now so I can show you it again. All right, all in one. Okay, so that's where you should be at that point. When you're at that point, we're now going to blow out all the air, throwing our hands forward and bending over. All right, so I'm going to go from there. Now, you should shake out all of the air that you've got left. And I know it sounds terrible going, but that's how you get the air out. It should be loud. You should hear you go, shake from the waist to get the last of it out. All right? And all of that upside down, bent over, all right? Obviously, I can go quite far. Not everybody can. So if you want to put your hands on your knees and just go, that's okay, righty? I do yoga, that's why I'm quite bendy, okay? So just go as far as you can. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. All right. Then, from this point, when you're still down, stay down. Breathe in through your nose, filling your lungs. All right, completely. So now I'm going to inhale, filling my lungs, and then I'm going to slowly exhale through the mouth, coming up. Okay, so let's do the sequence again quickly. Alrighty, all in one. Alright, let me say it first. Breathe into the nose, gasp, suck in as much air as you can. Throw your hands forward, blowing out the air as you go. Open mouth, shake it out till there's nothing left. Stay down, breathe in through the nose, filling your lungs, and then you're going to exhale slowly coming up through the mouth. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. Breathe in. Shake it out till there's no air left in your lungs. Breathe in while you're down. Exhale slowly up. Slowly curling your spine as well. Don't jerk your spine. If you come up too quickly at that point, lots of people go, you're going to get lightheaded. All right, so do it nice and slowly. All right, let's do 6 of these in a row. Okay, breathe in. Shake it out. Stay down and breathe in. Exhale, slowly coming up. Breathe in through the nose. Suck it in. Blow it out, shake it out. Breathe in. Exhale, slowly coming up. Breathe in. Shake it out. Breathe in while you're down. Exhale, slowly coming up. I'll do it sideways just in case. Breathe in. Exhale. Shake it out. Breathe in while you're down. Exhale. 3 more. Every time you breathe, do a complete breath. Completely fill your lungs, completely empty your lungs. And that is that. By the end of that, you should feel real chilled. Now you're ready to rehearse, to sing. You can really feel your air is regulated, your chest, your lung capacity is increased slightly. You're not tense or holding any tension from the day or even just asleep. Okay? Next.